So make sure whatever you're asking them to do without you, you give them very clear instructions of what you want them to do. You give them an example of what you want them to do, and you tell them exactly how to turn it in. This is an elementary lesson where students had to introduce themselves and then show pictures of what they like to eat for breakfast. The whole topic is food, right, with elementary school students. And obviously, as you can see, I gave them a frame. So I gave them sentence frames. So they only had to recall only specific vocabulary. And then, of course, they had the fun option of providing pictures of what they like to eat. So, right, my name is, and then all they have to do is write their name, their age, where they live. And then again, they only had to really use, they only had to come up with three different things that they like to eat for breakfast. So here are some examples. Every student got their own slide. So here's slide for student number 6. Here's slide for student number 9. So again, they only had to really introduce themselves, using what they like to eat for breakfast, and then sharing the pictures. This was a lot of fun. And then afterwards, we had a slideshow where each student got a chance to read their slide and then again introduce themselves with their slide. And so this is very, very, as you can see, the amount of language that we were expecting from them is very low. We're really only asking them to say their name, their age, their town, and just use 3 breakfast words.